About water cycle this class. We will be seeing how water is being changed from gaseous to liquid and from liquid to gaseous. So water can be changed from solid to liquid to gas. So water can be in solid form, it can be in liquid form, and it can also be in gaseous form. So how is that possible? Water, when it is in solid form, that is when it is iced. When it's block, become ice block. That is when it is in a solid form. But when it melts, it's turned to liquid. But when it is heated, by fire, it's become gaseous. So when it becomes this gaseous, it's become gaseous in such a way that the steam that comes out, for example, you are boiling a water. Heat your pot, then water. That steam that is coming out is what we call the gaseous part of water. So when it cools down, for example, you cover the pot with a cover, then when it's coming up, when the steam is going up, it rests on the pot. When you open the pot, the cover, you see some water particles on the cover of the pot. That's when it cools down and it becomes water, when this gaseous part comes out. So we look at how it is being done here. So for example, when the sun hits all this water body on the earth, be it rivers, stream, ocean, seas, and all of that, then when the sun hits all this water body, this water here, it evaporates and goes up. Then it's now settled down. It settles in the cloud. That is what it settles in the cloud, forming clouds. So when it wants to fall back, it now fall back as rain. So that's how water cycle is. So when there's severe heat from the sun, it now heats the water body. After heating it, then it evaporates and goes up. Then it settles and form clouds. Then later it now fall back as rain. So that's how water cycle is. That is why when you cook, the water boils. When it's reached its boiling point, it begins to boil. Then steam, it forms what we call steam. So the steam now is in form of gas. It is in form of gas. So it now evaporates out of the pot. It goes out of the pot because the water is being heated. So after going out, it now settles at the bottom of the cover of the pot. So it's now turned to water.